Shadow Guard. Let's see what that's about. Invade the charging ogre to grab the gems and get to the other side safely. Watch out for the spikes. Okay.
For the win.
I still don't know if we need these yet, so let's just play. Don't run into the spikes. Collect all the gems. Don't let the ogre see us. Oh my. Where's the ogre? That's the ogre? He looks like a knight. Alright, so it looks like 1, 2, 3. Okay. For me, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna just put it in here. Oh, we can't let the ogre see us, so let's not do that. We're gonna move right. We're gonna move up. We're gonna move right. We're gonna move down. And then we're gonna move right. So we can go around that statue in the back.
Move right. Move up. Move right.
Because I think if we just kept going right,
Move down.
he would have saw us.
Move right.
Oh, wow. He got raided. Sheesh.